feeling stressed out, need to just chill for a minute? Then you've got to check out the NeeDoh Nice Cube from Schylling. This isn't just any old squeeze toy, it's a best-selling sensory experience that's taking over. Just look at this thing. It's a perfect cube with a super solid squish that feels so satisfying in your hand. You can stretch it, squish it, and squish it to soothe away all that tension and find your groovy good vibes. Seriously, the feeling is just endless satisfaction. It really is hip to be square. Whether you're a kid who loves to fidget or an adult dealing with a busy day, the NeeDoh Nice Cube provides that amazing sensory fun you've been looking for. It's the perfect way to take a little break and reset. Grab yours and get squishing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome finds.